You know, a lot of people don't realize all the great services that Stone County Hospital here in Wiggins offers. So today we're going to talk to David Burkhart, who is the COO. How are you?
It's good to see you, Jim. How are you doing?
It's always a pleasure to come see y'all because, I mean, you're really a great hospital with a great staff, but a lot of people don't realize all the things that y'all offer.
No, they really don't. And unfortunately, I don't have enough time to tell you all the things we offer, but I would like to go over some of the ones that I know people would really be interested in. For instance, cardiology. We have cardiology here at Stone County Hospital, and we are now actually offering insertion of pacemakers.
Wow.
Which, unfortunately, it is a need, but we can do it here in the hometown. We have gastrointestinal, and we have general surgery here, dermatology, pain management. We have so many services to offer that people don't have to travel up north or down south to get. They can stay in the community here and let us, their neighbors, take care of them, our neighbors. You know, neighbors taking care of neighbors. We want to take care of the people in our community.
And that's one of the great things about Stone County Hospital is your little saying, neighbors taking care of neighbors.
Exactly.
And it really is. And you feel like that whenever you come here and with all the different people and the staff that you work with. And, you know, people don't realize that you don't have to go to Hattiesburg. You don't have to go down to the coast when you can get, I mean, everything right here.
Right. We have fully staffed 24/7, 365 days a year, emergency room, level 4 trauma center, with incredible staff that I would put up against any ER staff anywhere else on the coast. Fully operational radiology 24/7, including a 128 slice capability CT machine. We also have a fully staffed 24/7 lab. So, and we have a clinic next door, and the beauty of that is it's also a walk-in clinic, and they can come right next door to get all their diagnostics here. And we have outpatient rehab, inpatient rehab. People can, from the outside, not just our clinic, but if they have laboratory services needed, they can come here.
All right, that's awesome. Matter of fact, we're going to go visit the radiology department right now and talk to Sabrina, one of the great things that they offer here at Stone County Hospital on Highway 26 in Wiggins. Now, they do offer a lot of diagnostic test services here at Stone County Hospital. Sabrina Christopher is the Director of Radiology. How are you?
Very well. How are you today?
Very well, good. Tell us, you know, what got you into this, being, you know, in radiology? Well, how'd you get your interest in this?
Well, I've been working at Stone County here for about 5.5 years, and I absolutely love my job. And what got me into radiology is I was a basketball player for pretty much my entire life. So I suffered quite a few injuries throughout my time playing basketball. And throughout the injuries, I had to get quite a few x-rays. And so I got intrigued in it just a little bit that way. And so I said, this seems like a very nice career field that I would like to go into. So I applied for the radiology program in 2008 at Pearl River Community College. I graduated in 2010, and I met my wonderful husband of 3 years while I was in x-ray school. And it's just the moment I walked in the door here at Stone County. It's been one of the greatest jobs I've ever had in my entire life.
Well, a lot of people think that to get, you know, diagnostic test services or anything, they have to leave the area. And that's not true. You offer a lot right here at Stone County.
No, Jim, that's not true at all. You can get just about all your tests done here. We have all the major ancillary departments here. We have lab, we have respiratory, we have x-ray, and we have CT that we offer 24 hours a day that's open to the public. And we also have great physicians here, and they can order and diagnose anything right here at our hospital. We love our physicians here, and that
they do a great job.
They do a very wonderful job.
Now, you also are able to, you know, you're equipped to treat lung and heart diseases as well.
Yes, we are. With our CT scanner here, we are able to do that. CT scanner, it is 64 slice with the capability of doing 128 slices, which is fantastic. That just means that it can take a lot of pictures in a short amount of time. And we are able to we're able to diagnose cancer here, PE study, which are for blood clots, and then we have brain bleeds as well. We're able to diagnose those as well.
Wow, a lot of people don't realize that.
No, it's awesome.
That is awesome. Well, thank you so much, Sabrina. Another one of the great services they provide here is a speech pathologist. So let's talk to them now. Now, Stephanie Tapp is the speech therapist here at Stone County Hospital, and you're offering a new program, a new test for people who have problems swallowing.
Yes.
Tell me about that.
Okay. It's called a modified barium swallow study, and what it does, it just allows us to look at your swallowing from the chewing part of it and taking food or liquid in your mouth to actually swallowing it down. It gives us images and video of the entire process, how that happens. So we're able to see how a patient is able to chew their food, if they can chew it well, how quickly they're able to swallow it, and then when they swallow, it lets us know if they're getting it into the esophagus the way it should go, or if any of it trickles down into the airway. So into the airway and then into the lungs, which is called aspiration. So we want to just make sure they're on the safest diet. We're able to try different types of liquids with them, different types of solids, and see what they're safest on.
And who are good I mean, what should a person know if they think that maybe I should have this test done?
Usually the most often we see are patients who have had strokes, so maybe they've lost the ability to swallow, or geriatric patients or patients with dementia that those muscles just weaken over time like the rest of our body. So maybe they've just lost coordination with their swallow, or it's just weak. You've seen them with TBI patients, so maybe they've had some other damage done, or also patients with head and neck cancer that they've just had weakness or effects due to surgery, so they need one done as well.
That's awesome. Great new test here offered at Stone County Hospital. Thank you so much, Stephanie.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Let's go over and see what they have at the clinic here at Stone County Hospital in Wiggins. Now, one of the great things too about Stone County Hospital, they have their own clinic here. So if you have a problem, a little cold or something that you need to just get right in, they can see you too. Becky Harris is the family nurse practitioner. How are you?
I'm doing well, Jim. Thanks.
What
Good to
sets
see
you?
again.
It's good to see you too. What sets your Stone County Clinic apart from just any other clinic?
Well, Jim, we have a wide variety of specialty providers that come here, anywhere from wound care to podiatry specialists. We have a good bit of diabetics that follow up with our podiatrist here, Dr. Parker. We also have a variety of specialists like a gastroenterologist and pain specialists that come here and serve people and take care of our own in Stone County, which keeps folks at home, keeps them close to home where they can stay. We even have rehab ability in the hospital.
Exactly. What Mr. Burke had said earlier, the fact that you don't have to go to Hattiesburg, you don't have to go to the Gulf Coast, pretty much taking care of anything here. If they need x-rays or whatever, they come to the clinic, you can just send them across the driveway.
We have the availability to take walk-ins, and oftentimes we can get their test results, their imaging results on the same day.
What if they come in here with a big gaping wound or something like that? Y'all do sutures and everything?
We suture, we remove fish hooks, all the summertime injuries that you'll find.
I bet you see a lot of those, don't you, up
We
here?
actually do, yeah.
It's a country thing. It's a country thing. Anyway, Rebecca, thank you so much.
Thank you, Jim.
For having us here. Again, so many things that they have to offer here at Stone County Hospital, Stone County Clinic. Neighbors serving neighbors. That's exactly how they are. So you can just stay right here in Wiggins without having to go to the Gulf Coast or going to Hattiesburg. Come see them here for your needs at Stone County Hospital.